Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to upload your syllabus to the IVC Syllabi site. So first you want to make sure that you're at the IVC home page, imperial.edu. From here you're going to click on log in and you can just click on Portal Guard. This is going to take you to the Portal Guard login page. So you want to enter your IVC credentials and then click log in. From here you want to look for the schedule site right here. Then from here, you should be able to see what courses you are teaching on a particular semester. I don't have any upcoming courses, so I'll just click on a past semester. So when I click on the semester, it should show you all of your courses. Then here you want to go ahead and click on choose file. And this is going to give you that pop-up window so that you can select the file that you want to upload. Once you select that file, then you're just simply going to click upload. And then your syllabus will be available to your students. And if you need to re-upload the syllabus, you just come here again and follow the same steps and you'll be able to re-upload or replace it as it says here. And that's it.